Guys, today we'll see how to install Apache and PHP and Ubuntu 20.04 as part of LAMP stack installation. Uh, so we have to update our package list with sudo apt update first. So just update your package list. And then start installing your PHP and Apache2, which is available in the official Ubuntu repositories itself. Okay, the package list has been refreshed. Now we can install PHP and Apache from Ubuntu repositories itself with sudo apt install PHP and Apache2. So this will install the default versions available in Ubuntu official repositories. If you want to check the versions that you are trying to install, you can use apt show package name. So now we are going to install PHP 7.4, which is the default version available in Ubuntu repositories. Same way when it comes to Apache 2, we have Apache 2.4 available in the Ubuntu repositories. That's what we are going to install now. So this command is installing some more things along with PHP and Apache 2. It is installing some more Apache modules and PHP modules. Those are really useful for running LAMP stack on your system. So we'll proceed with this. So the installation process completed without any issues. We don't have any errors here. So now we can ensure we can just check and ensure that it is working as expected with following commands. We can ensure we can just check the status of Apache server using system control command. So your Apache server is running as expected. You can see that here, and you can also ensure that by navigating to localhost on your browser. So you can if you visit localhost, you will see this in your browser if your Apache installation is working as expected. So now we can also check the PHP installation with PHP command php-v. By just typing php-v, you will get the PHP version and other information if your PHP installation is working as expected. Also, you can check it with the PHP info function. Yeah, just go to just go to /var/www/html. Now just create new file name.php. Sorry. Now take the PHP info sample code and paste it there. Paste it there and press Ctrl O, Ctrl X. Yeah, that's it. Now just try to navigate to that page, me.php. Yeah. So you are now you can see the PHP version and other information related to PHP installation in your system. So now we can say that our PHP installation is working as expected along with PHP, along with Apache2. That's it, guys. For more, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more updates.